Hi, I'm Chuck Puccini. I'm the President and CEO of Coastal Caisson Corp. I'd like to welcome you to our facility here in Odessa, Florida. This is our U.S. headquarters.
Coastal Caisson relocated in July 2008 from an 8-acre site in the middle of urban Clearwater to our new location in Odessa. Our new home is located on a woodsy 34-acre site in the Odessa Industrial Park off Gun Highway in Pasco County. The site has 20 usable acres, of which we were site permitted for 90,000 square feet of building space. We currently have 3 new buildings on our campus, consisting of a 12,000 square foot corporate office, a 20,000 square foot maintenance facility with an overhead crane, and a 10,000 square foot storage facility, which is roughly half of the allowable square footage to be used for future expansion. Roughly 5 to 6 acres of the site is currently used for storage of the massive tools and equipment used in our business. We are a deep foundation engineering and construction company that provides underground concrete foundations for large structures and infrastructure such as power plants, high-rise construction, roads and bridges, wastewater treatment facilities, dams, levees, and reservoirs, etc. Coastal Caisson was founded in the Tampa Bay area in 1972 as a local provider of drilled shafts, auger cast piles, and caissons. Over time, Coastal Caisson grew in size and reputation throughout Florida as a specialty contractor for drilled shafts and auger cast piles. In 1992, Coastal Caisson was acquired by Bauer, a German construction company owned by the Bauer Group based in Schrobenhausen, a small village town north of Munich. Bauer is the world-leading manufacturer and innovator of drilling and foundation equipment, investing 10% of its annual revenues into R&D to continually advance the technologies in our field and to stay ahead of the competition. Since the acquisition in 1992, Coastal Caisson has been introducing the new equipment, techniques, and technologies to the U.S. market. This relationship, which Bauer has enabled Coastal Caisson to position itself today in the Southeast as a leader in deep foundation construction. Due to the increased level of sophistication and rapid advancement in technologies in deep foundation construction available to us from Bauer, our company can no longer rely on the U.S. industrial and construction labor pool to find the skilled resources required to operate our advanced equipment, manufacture and repair our tools, and engineer a solution for complex structures in sometimes even more complex soil conditions. In Germany, our parent company has a 20,000 square foot facility dedicated to training apprentices to provide them the unique talents required to work in our industry today. Bauer hires on average 31 new apprentices each year for a 3-year program. Incoming apprentices take one of 3 tracks: industrial, technical, or commercial. Of these 31 apprentices, 15 are industrial, manufacturing, construction craftsmen, and technicians in pneumatics, electronics, and electrical. 4 are technical, drafting and design engineering, and 12 are commercial, administrative services in construction and manufacturing. Bauer does not have the problems we have in finding qualified workers with the advanced skill sets required in the businesses like we do. Because of the standard German apprenticeship program regulated by the federal government, there are plenty of qualified workers with very sophisticated levels of experience. If an apprentice goes through the industrial track at Bauer, they have the same skill sets as an apprentice that went through the industrial track at BMW. After 3 years, these apprentices hit the floor as an innovative, productive member of the team. For this reason, Bauer is able to retain these apprentices who become loyal and committed employees, grateful to Bauer, and grateful for the investment of time and resources Bauer has committed to them. In May of 2008, our president, CEO, Chuck Puccini, sought out to find a couple of high school interns to help us with a summer research project. He learned about an advanced high school with an engineering career academy located near our new facility at Eastlake High School in Pinellas County. He met Paul Wanish, the director of the Engineering Career Academy, and was very impressed with the quality of his program. When Paul started 5 years ago, he had no equipment and 25 students. He now occupies a 5,000 square foot wing of the school loaded with milling, lathing, and advanced CNC machines, and 375 dedicated students and aspiring technicians and engineers. Mr. Puccini knew he had found the right place to hire his interns for his aggressive and innovative research project. Further conversations with Paul developed into discussions about modeling the Bauer German apprenticeship program. We hired the first 2 research interns that summer and continued on a fast track to implement a dual education apprenticeship-like program, and the rest is history. We learned about Bloom Incorporated, and the Apprenticeship 2000 successes and visited them in July 2008. We aligned with industry partners Jabil Circuits, the Nielsen Group, Paul AeroPower, Micro PharmaWorks, and Bloom Incorporated to become founding members of CTEF, Career Technical Education Foundation Incorporated, and held a press conference in October 2008 to announce it. We then took a trip to Germany and Austria in November 2008 to view the German-Austrian dual system of education, a blend of theoretical and practical learning, in existence at Bloom, Bauer, and other industries, and visited the IHK German Chambers of Commerce and a German vocational school. From this trip, we learned how it is done in Germany and Austria and have customized our model for America. We have aggressively pursued our goal to begin a dual system of education model at our company, starting with a 6-week summer internship. The next step is to continue on with the dual system, employing these 4 students throughout their senior year and in high school. Because CTEF provides the link from the school system to industry and is creating feeder programs from elementary into middle school to high school, we know with certainty that the students that come to us will be well prepared to enter our dual system of education program. The objectives of the Coastal Caisson Summer Internship Program is to introduce high school students to the variety of jobs associated with the foundation construction industry and to teach them how to safely operate the many machines it takes to retool equipment, produce spare parts, and to maintain inventory to keep up with the demands of field operations.